Hey, this is Yulia and welcome back to my channel. First of all, happy holidays! Finally, it's Christmas time and today we'll be talking about Christmas, holidays, winter in Canada. So if you're interested in learning more about Christmas traditions, things people do in winter, then keep on watching. The preparations for New Year's, for Christmas start as early as in November, because when the stores change the displays, then it's Christmas time officially. Some of the stores like Dollarama, they would change their shelves even like in October. It's not even Halloween yet, they're already selling Christmas stuff. This happens simply because Christmas is huge in Canada. So in November, all the stores transform into winter wonderlands and people start shopping for Christmas gifts. The main day for the shopping is obviously Black Friday because you can get stuff cheaper, faster. Well, I mean, back in the days, now it's all delayed because of the COVID. Starting from mid-November, we have different kinds of Christmas markets, Christmas events, Christmas farms, and all the kind of stuff. As I've mentioned before, Christmas is huge in Canada simply because it's the main, I guess, holiday of the year when people fly from different cities home. If someone lives in Vancouver and his or her family is in Ottawa, then the person's gonna fly to Ottawa or like vice versa. So yeah, holiday season, Christmas season is a big deal in Canada. So what do people do in Canada during Christmas? Well, as anywhere in the world, people buy trees. It might be a fake one, an artificial tree, it might be a real one, depending on the family, depending on the person. I wouldn't say there is like a tendency to buy this ones or that ones. Our family has a fake one because it's easier to store. We have also a cat and all this like stuff's gonna be on the floor and then on the cat and then it's gonna be in my bed. So fake tree it is. You can buy fake trees almost anywhere, starting from IKEA to Home Depot to Canadian Tire. So like basically any store will have some kind of trees. As for the real trees, you can always go to the markets, you can always go to the farms. We have special farms where you can actually go and cut your own tree. I think this is awesome and one day I'll try that too, but for now, the fake one. We also have these corners everywhere in the city where you can actually buy a Christmas tree. You cannot just go to the forest and cut a tree and then take it home. It's illegal in Canada because I know in Russia you could do that, like people did that. In Canada, people also like to decorate their places, apartments, houses. If it's a house, then people would put all the lights outside. People would also put some inflatable thingies outside, like Rudolph or Santa or like, I don't know. There are so many options available on the market that like you can literally find whatever you want. One of the Christmas traditions here in Canada is advent calendars. What is an advent calendar? Well, wait a second. Advent calendar is basically something that helps you count days till Christmas. So you have 24 thingies. In this case, it's gin. I also have my advent calendar with like facial stuff, like creams and stuff. So basically each morning you wake up, you open your advent calendar, and it means it's -1 day till Christmas. You can always get an advent calendar from a store if you like a certain brand. You can always check if they have any calendars. Some people will hang the stockings and then put tiny gifts every day for their kids, let's say. So the kid wakes up and sees a gift and like, yay, Christmas is coming, something like that. As seen in the movies, people do a lot of shopping during holiday season. We have Santas in the malls. So basically you can take your kid, go to a Santa, make a wish, have fun. People also go ice skating. We have some indoor ice rinks. We also have outdoor ice rinks, so you can pick whichever is better for you. People also watch a lot of Christmas movies, Christmas TV shows, make cookies, all the traditional stuff. Official Canadian holidays are the Christmas Day, 25th of December, and the New Year's Day, so the 1st of January. In some provinces, like in Ontario, 26th, the Boxing Day, is also a holiday, but in Quebec and other provinces, unfortunately, it's not. But again, some companies can be like, hey, guys, you can take 24th, 26th days off, you can take 2nd January off. School normally will finish around 20th December and start around like 5th of January-ish. Again, dates change depending on the day of the week. As I've mentioned, Christmas is big in Canada, but what about New Year's? Because in some countries, We don't celebrate much of Christmas, and we more of New Year people. So in Canada, New Year's Eve and like the New Year's night, it's just like a party night, basically. People go out, they meet with their friends. We also have celebrations in the city, so you can basically go to the Old Port, watch a concert, and then watch the fireworks. But everything closes at 3 a.m. as usual. So it's not gonna be, hey, New Year's, we're gonna be open till 7 a.m. No, don't expect that. 3 a.m. you go to bed. If you're in Ontario, 2 a.m. when you go to bed. Like, no exceptions. But people still can go, let's say, to a restaurant till 3 a.m. and then go to a house party to see their friends and stay up till whatever, like 10th of January, like in Russia we do. What Christmas events do we have here in Canada? Well, first of all, Christmas markets, as I've mentioned before. In Montreal we have a whole bunch of different markets. In Quebec there is a German Christmas market. I think in Ottawa they have one too, in Toronto for sure. We also have Santa Claus parades, different like Christmas parades. Unfortunately this year everything is cancelled, but for the next year you'll know. Also everything is lit up, so basically the lights of Canada are lit everywhere, and there's gonna be a virtual show this year so you can actually see what's up. There's gonna be, I think, a concert or something like that, so the link is there. Go check it out. Aside from making cookies and watching Christmas movies, we have a lot of things to do during Christmas season. So in Canada we'll have a Christmas dinner on Christmas Eve, so on 24th, but it always depends on the family because Canada is super international. We have a lot of different nationalities. Some people don't celebrate Christmas on 24th, 25th. They celebrate it on 7th of January, like in Russia, Ukraine, Belarus, like all the like Eastern Europe. So it pretty much depends on you, on your family, on your traditions. As for us, we don't have this family dinner on 24th. We just go out somewhere. In most cases, it's either something Asian or Russian because we don't celebrate Christmas on 25th. So we're open because Canadian places, they all closed. What do people actually eat on Christmas? Is there any traditional food, you might ask? The first one and the most important one is the turkey. Normally it's done with the stuffing inside of it, with the cranberry sauce, mashed potato on the side. As for the dessert, the traditional New Year's dessert is bûche de Noël. It's basically like a... I'll just put the picture in here. Yeah, it's like a log, basically. People also drink mulled wine, apple cider, and eggnog. Eggnog is basically like a dairy festive drink. Again, I'll just put a picture here because I don't know how to describe it. It's just like a sweet dairy thingy. That's it. In Quebec, there is also a dish called tourtière. It's like a meat pie. People make it or buy it for Christmas. But again, Canada is super multicultural, so sometimes the dinner might be in a form of potluck, basically when everyone brings something. Sometimes we have a potluck dinner and be like, hey, bring something from your country. I'm from Russia, I'm gonna bring like Russian salad. If someone is from Ukraine, he's gonna bring like, I don't know, some Ukrainian dumplings, like варенички. So yeah, again, it all depends on you, on your friends, on your family. As for the gifts, the gift exchange happens on Christmas in Canada. But again, me and my friends are all Russian people, so we exchange gifts on New Year's because this is how we do things. Also in Russia, we have New Year's and then we have Christmas, so the local Christmas doesn't work for us a bit. So yeah, but again, if you want to exchange gifts on like 28th, who cares? As long as it happens. And this is it for today. This is how we celebrate Christmas here in Canada. That's what we do. Just be with your family, have fun, enjoy the time together. I wish you all the best if you're celebrating any of the holidays. Well, Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, like Merry everything. And I'll see you very soon. Bye!